How to read WhatsApp backup from Google Drive on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. On your PC, download Wondershare Mobile Trans app. After you've downloaded it, on the left side, click on Phone to PC. Then USB to connect your device, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Backup and Restore at the top. After you click on Backup and Restore, click on WhatsApp. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Select all the data and press on Start. Then on your phone, you will find WhatsApp registration code request thread. Press on OK and then press on three dots at the top right. Press on Settings. Then press on Chats. In Chat, scroll down to Chat Backup and click on it. Make sure you have selected your Google account, then press on Backup. After you have pressed on Backup, on your laptop or PC, you will find your phone's name and then Backup completed in this way. You can simply press on Restore at the bottom and it will again restore it. If you back up on your phone, it will directly back up on your PC Google Drive as well. This is how to read WhatsApp backup from Google Drive on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.